Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and today we're doing a Undercover Ultra Flex on a Nissan Titan. So come this way, let's take a look. Now, as you know, we're trying to do videos on all the different vehicles. Now we got Fords and Chevys and Rams and everything in between. Unfortunately, the Nissan Titan is just not getting enough love lately, so I'm trying to get more videos of the Nissan Titan. And of course, the Undercover Ultra Flex is one of the most popular covers we sell. So let's take a look here. Now what we got here is, I don't know if you can bring the camera over here, let's take a look. We've got a nice smooth finish on here. Now the Undercover Ultra Flex does come with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. And it's a great warranty. Also, this holds 400 pounds with evenly distributed. So it's got a strong cover, it holds some weight. Now it's got some other bells and whistles I like. For example, the bottom here has a nice little bed rug on it. And what's nice about bed rug, it's a synthetic plastic, so it can get wet. It's the same stuff they make with life preservers. So if you have it up like this and it gets rained on, does not hurt it. Also, another nice feature that comes with this, if you look over here, I'm going to go turn it on for you. This does come with a light. And this light is very nice because it does have a timer. So you're putting the groceries in, you turn it on. You forget to turn it off, not a problem. It will turn itself off. It's just one less thing you have to worry about. Now, what's nice about this, I don't know if you can take a look here, this is connected, the rails are connected to the cargo management system in here. And I gotta say, it's a great fit. It really is. I mean, think about how much strength this has holding your cover up. You never have to really worry about these rails ever coming off because they're connected to that cargo management system, and does a great job at taking the weight and distributing it nice and even. And it's double bolted, so I mean, Nissan did a great job with this, and Undercover did a good job of using the advantage of that cargo management system. I really like it. It's a great setup. Now if you come over here, you can see if you want to drive with this partially open, you can. You just have to secure it. Now if you notice, there's one on each side, and make sure they're both locked into place. And when it's not being used, you just go ahead and stick it right back in. It makes a nice little handle. Now another nice feature of this cover is the third fold. Comes all the way up here. So if you got something big and you say, you know what, I need to put my motorcycle, my new Harley, I put in there, I got to put my all-terrain vehicle, whatever it is, you can put it in here because now you don't lose any access, because a lot of the covers are two folds. It stops right here, not with this cover. Also, when this is up, this acts as a headache rack. That's right. So if you have something in the back and someone cuts you off and you slam on the brakes and that big heavy item is sliding forward, instead of hitting your very expensive rear window, it's going to hit that. So it does a great job at protecting your vehicle, and it's a lot less money to replace this cover than that rear window. Plus, who wants a broken window? So this does a great job of protecting your truck. And again, you have to put both supports up there. As you can see from the video, I'm only doing one, but a reminder, please always use both supports when you're on the highway. Now this is the newest model, so they changed this, so this works very easily. If you look here, you'll see it clips in there, and you hear it lock into place. And again, I got the nice little handle there. The most important thing is, if you notice how easy it is to use. It looks good, it functions good, very easy. It's got a great warranty. It's got a triple seal here, so it's going to keep the water out really well. Now, speaking of water, and this is real important, nothing is waterproof. I had a customer the other day, I told him it's not a waterproof cover, and he's like, well, I'm going to go find a waterproof cover. They don't make it. Someone's just going to lie to him. I don't lie to my customers. I said, look, it's a water-resistant cover. It says it right on the website. Now, that being said, this is more water-resistant than most because it does have the triple seal. It has the big seal here. It has a drainage system. So it has done, the Undercover has done its job to keep the water out. So it's going to be really good for water. So you're going to have a very small amount of water in there. And that's only if you're going through one of those high-pressure car washes or something, you know. Again, they got the great warranty, and if we install it for you, we're going to give you the C&H labor guarantee, which is for 1 year. That's right. If you pay for the installation, we give you labor for a whole year. That means if you had a defect in the cover and they sent you a new cover, we'll reinstall it free of charge, which is terrific. Now, if you like what you see, and you say, you know what, I want that cover. Well, on the bottom of this video will be a link to our website, so you can buy it from there, or call me on the phone, or just come into our showroom. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thank you.